Hello everyone, welcome back to new lessons. And how are you doing? Let me know. And today I will be talking about translate English. So let's get started. Um, Number one, সে জানে না যে কি করতে হবে আর কি করতে হবে না. She doesn't know. She doesn't know what to do or what not to do. Okay? সে জানে না কি করতে হবে কি করতে হবে না. She doesn't know what to do or what not to do. Number two, সে আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল আমি কি করছিলাম. He asked me what I was doing. Okay? সে আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল কি করতে হবে. সে আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল আমি কি করেছিলাম. He asked me what I was doing. Number three, তুমি কি জানো তুমি কি করেছো? Do you know what you have done? তুমি কি জানো তুমি কি করেছো? Do you know what you have done? And the last one is তুমি বলতে পারো যতক্ষণ তুমি চাও. You can speak as long as you want. Okay? তুমি বলতে পারো যতক্ষণ তুমি চাও. As long as means যতক্ষণ. Okay? And make sentences as much as you can and have a great day. See you some other time. So it was have a great day. It was transmitting and make sentences. Bye.